In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore notes on your iPhone from iCloud in 2025. Losing notes can be a frustrating experience, but with just a few simple steps, you can recover them easily. We'll explore two straightforward methods that will have your notes back on your device in no time. Let's start with the first method, which involves resyncing your iCloud notes to your iPhone. To do this, start by navigating to your iPhone's settings. Once you are in settings, look for your name at the very top of the menu. This is where your Apple ID and related settings reside. Tap on your name to access those options, then tap on iCloud, which will take you to a list of apps that use iCloud. Here, tap Show All and find Notes in the list. What you'll do next is toggle the switch for Notes, turn it off and wait a moment, then turn it back on. By doing this, you're prompting your iPhone to resync with the iCloud server, which often fixes sync issues and brings back your missing notes. Give it a few seconds to complete the process, and you should see your notes reappear in the Notes app. This is a quick and effective way to restore your notes without having to dive into further steps or settings. Now, if resyncing doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second method, using iCloud.com to access and copy your notes. You'll need a web browser for this approach. Start by going to iCloud.com, and when the page loads, sign in using your Apple ID credentials. This will take you to your iCloud dashboard where you can access various apps and services. Here, locate and click on the Notes app. This will open up all the notes that are saved in your iCloud account. You have the option to view your notes, and if need be, you can manually copy the text. To get these notes back onto your iPhone, you can either email them to yourself or use the Notes app on your phone. Simply copy and paste the content, and you'll have a local copy saved on your device. Both of these methods are designed to be user-friendly and efficient, ensuring that you quickly regain access to your important notes. iCloud is a powerful tool for data restoration, and by following these steps, you can make the most of its features. Remember, regular syncing and backups can prevent data loss, so make sure your iPhone settings are set up for automatic syncs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.